Emmerson Chamisa, the former leader of Zimbabwe's opposition Citizens Coalition for Change political party, recently shared an inspiring vision for his country's future. He tweeted, "Just imagine a new great Zimbabwe, a prosperous country with a proper currency, proper economy, proper politics, proper elections and proper leaders. Just imagine the new dawn for everyone." This statement comes at a pivotal time as Chamisa has announced plans to introduce a new development plan that utilizes data, evidence and statistical models to guide individual citizens' development from birth. This initiative aims to transform Zimbabwe into a prosperous nation. Chamisa's vision encompasses various critical aspects, including economic revival, that is a stable economy with a proper currency, attracting investments and creating jobs; political reforms, that's proper politics, ensuring accountability, transparency and good governance; free and fair elections, ensuring citizens' voices are heard through credible electoral processes; and finally, effective leadership, which is proper leaders who prioritize the nation's interests and well-being.